Imagine a world where your car runs on clean energy, produces zero emissions, and helps save the planet. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, that future is already here with electric vehicles transforming our roads and our lives. In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of EV technology. Electric vehicles are not just about being green, they represent a monumental shift in how we think about transportation. From advancements in battery life to innovative charging solutions, the EV landscape is changing rapidly. Are you ready to learn about the cutting-edge technology driving this change? First up, let's take a closer look at the incredible innovations happening in battery technology. Today's lithium-ion batteries have already transformed the EV market, but new developments like solid-state batteries and graphene technology promise to take it even further. Did you know that solid-state batteries could increase range and reduce charging time significantly? These advanced batteries use a solid electrolyte instead of a liquid one, leading to safer and more efficient energy storage. What other surprises lie ahead in battery tech? Stay tuned! Next, let's talk about the charging infrastructure that supports EVs. With the growing number of electric vehicles on the road, the need for accessible and efficient charging stations is more critical than ever. But it's not just about the quantity, it's also about the quality and speed of charging solutions available. Here's a shocking fact: fast chargers can provide up to 80% of a vehicle's battery capacity in just 30 minutes. Imagine being able to grab a coffee while your car powers up, giving you the range you need for your next journey. Isn't that incredible? With the rise of EVs, we're also seeing innovative solutions like wireless charging and vehicle-to-grid technology. These advancements not only make charging more convenient but also help integrate EVs into the energy ecosystem. How will this impact our energy consumption? Quick reminder: if you're enjoying this deep dive into electric vehicle technology, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights. Your support helps us bring you the latest in EV innovations. Now, let's shift gears and explore the different EV platforms available today. Many major automakers are investing billions into developing dedicated platforms for electric vehicles, allowing for better performance and efficiency. This also means a wider variety of models tailored for different needs. From Tesla's innovative approach with the Model 3 to more traditional manufacturers transitioning their lineups, the competition is heating up. What does this mean for consumers? More choices and better technologies at competitive prices. Have you ever wondered how charging your EV impacts the environment? The answer is more complex than you might think, involving factors like the energy source for charging stations and local grid emissions. This perspective shift could change how you view electric vehicles. As we conclude, the future of electric vehicles is not just bright, it's innovative and exciting. With advancements in battery technology, improvements in charging infrastructure, and the evolution of EV platforms, the possibilities are endless. What will the next decade bring for electric mobility? Don't miss our next video where we'll explore the impact of autonomous vehicles on the electric market. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any future content. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of electric vehicles.